In this video, we're going to show you how quick and easy it is to create an event using a new feature to Market Dojo, Global Templates. You can use the dashboard here to create a new event using the button below. However, for the purpose of this video, in case you haven't previously used our tool, we're going to run an event in the sandpit. This is our practice environment where you can test things out and get to grips with the software. Okay, so similarly to on the dashboard, we're going to go down to the New Event button in Draft Events and select New Event from the drop-down. Here on the New Event page, we have two options. We can either create a bespoke event from scratch using the New Event option here, or we can use an event template, which is what we're going to go ahead and do today. The event template function includes both our global templates and any event templates that you save to your own individual account. Now, as you can see, at the top here, we have previous events that this user has run and saved. This can be really useful to save time if you find yourself running the same event frequently. As we continue to scroll, we reach the list of public templates. We provided options for a number of different categories that we regularly see sourced through our tool. These templates take into account best practice and our knowledge of how these events tend to be run. So we're going to go ahead and choose office supplies, then click Use Templates. What we now have is a pre-populated event that we can cater easily to our specific needs. The Settings tab contains the structure of the event. Here we can see what stages are included. So we can see here that this template includes a questionnaire, an RFQ, but no auction. The template acts as a basis for the event, but stages can be added, removed, or edited on this tab. Once we're happy with everything, we can save and go to the next step. Now it's time to look at the questionnaire. As you can see, we have a list of questions that the template has already pulled through for us. We now have the option to edit a question, copy a question, or simply delete a question entirely. Clicking the Edit option allows us not only to reword a question, but also to add a question description, a scoring criteria, or to change the response type that the question requires. We also have the ability to add new questions. Remember, these templates are a basis for you to build upon, so there may well be a number of additional answers you'll require based on the specifics of what you're sourcing. Once we're fully happy with our questionnaire, we can save and move on. Now it's time to address the lots. Our templates will include a suggested structure for the pricing element of your tender. Here you can update the line items in line with your precise requirements and make edits if needed. Now we'll go to the Create Documents tab, where we're able to add documents for participants to download. We've included an example document here, but you can add to this or delete documents as required. Finally, we come to the invitation process for participants. We do this simply by clicking the Add New Participants button, and once we're happy with all the participants we've added, we can confirm the invite and finish. And the whole process is as simple as that. So go ahead, jump into the sandpit and try for yourself. If you have any questions or queries about templates or any Market Dojo features, our team would love to hear from you.